Walk into any luxury brand store, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Rolex. What colors dominate? Gold, deep green, rich purple. This isn't random. These colors broadcast specific electromagnetic frequencies that your brain associates with wealth, value, and prestige. What if the colors surrounding you in your home, your clothes, your workspace are either broadcasting abundance frequency or poverty frequency? What if changing your color environment could shift your financial consciousness and attract prosperity? Today, I'm revealing the quantum science of color frequencies, why gold, green, and purple specifically activate wealth consciousness, and exactly how to use these sacred prosperity colors to transform your space and your financial reality. This isn't just psychology or symbolism. Color is electromagnetic radiation at specific frequencies. Your eyes detect these frequencies. Your brain processes them. Your nervous system responds to them. Different frequencies create different neurochemical reactions and emotional states. Red light at 450 terahertz creates alertness and urgency. Blue light at 670 terahertz creates calm and focus. Gold, green, and purple frequencies specifically activate neural pathways associated with value, growth, and abundance. This is measurable neuroscience. When you surround yourself with prosperity colors, you're literally bathing your consciousness in frequencies that program abundance. When you surround yourself with poverty colors, dull grays, faded tones, cheap materials, you're programming scarcity. Ancient wisdom understood this intuitively. Egyptian pharaohs used gold extensively because it represented divine wealth and immortality. Chinese emperors wore yellow, gold, as the exclusive royal color. Purple was so expensive to produce that only the wealthiest could afford it, becoming synonymous with royalty and prosperity. Hindu temples use specific color schemes based on Vastu principles. Gold for Lakshmi, wealth goddess. Green for growth and abundance. Purple for spiritual wealth manifesting materially. These weren't superstitions. They were technologies based on observed effects of color on consciousness and manifestation. Modern color therapy, chromotherapy, and environmental psychology now validate what ancient cultures knew. Colors affect mood, decision-making, perception, and even physiological responses. Marketing companies spend millions researching color psychology because it demonstrably influences buying behavior. If colors influence consumer behavior that powerfully, imagine how they influence your own prosperity consciousness when you're surrounded by them constantly in your living environment. Your home is your primary quantum field. The colors in this field are constantly programming your subconscious. Are they programming wealth or poverty? Let's decode the three most powerful prosperity colors. Gold is the ultimate prosperity color. Across all cultures and all time periods, gold represents wealth, success, and divine favor. Why? The physics of gold. Gold reflects light at approximately 510 Thz in the yellow-orange spectrum. This frequency is close to sunlight's dominant wavelength. Your brain associates it with solar energy, vitality, and life force. Gold is also the color of, well, gold, the precious metal. For millennia, gold has been the ultimate store of value. Your subconscious has ancient programming. Gold, wealth, pure security, pure power. When you see gold color, even if it's paint or fabric, your brain activates the same neural pathways as seeing actual gold metal. The association is that deeply embedded. The psychology of gold. Studies show that gold color increases perception of value. The same product appears more expensive, higher quality, and more desirable when presented in gold packaging versus other colors. Luxury brands exploit this mercilessly. Gold logos, gold packaging, gold accents. Your subconscious reads, this is valuable, this is premium, this is worth the price. But here's the quantum application. When you surround yourself with gold, your subconscious begins perceiving you as valuable, premium, worthy of prosperity. The spiritual significance gold represents the sun in nearly every spiritual tradition. Solar energy is masculine, active, creative, and abundant. The sun gives endlessly without depleting. This is the abundance consciousness you want to embody. In alchemy, gold represents the perfected state, the goal of the great work. Material and spiritual wealth integrated. When you use gold in your space, you're affirming this integration. In Hinduism, gold is Lakshmi's color. Wearing or displaying gold invokes her blessing of prosperity. How to use gold for abundance in your wealth corner. Gold accents, frames, objects, or fabrics. Even a gold-painted small bowl or statue creates the frequency. In your wardrobe, gold jewelry, accessories, or clothing items. When negotiating, presenting, or seeking opportunities, gold signals confidence and value. In your workspace, gold desk accessories, frames for achievements, or gold trim on important documents. Programs success consciousness while working. In artwork, gold-framed art or paintings with gold tones creates visual richness that trains your auras to perceive abundance. Not all gold is equal. Bright, shiny, lustrous gold broadcasts wealth. Dull, tarnished, or cheap-looking gold broadcasts poverty. Use quality gold tones, even if they're paint or fabric, not actual gold metal. Balance is key. Too much gold becomes gaudy and desperate. Strategic gold accents are sophisticated and abundant. Think luxury hotel lobby, not nouveau riche excess. The golden light meditation daily practice. Visualize golden light filling your body and surrounding your space. This programs your biofield with gold frequency, even without physical gold present. Sit comfortably. Close eyes. Imagine brilliant golden light pouring down from above, entering through your crown, filling every cell. Feel warmth, value, wealth, abundance. Breathe this golden light for 5 to 10 minutes. Your electromagnetic field literally shifts. You begin broadcasting gold frequency, attracting circumstances that match. Now let's explore green, the color of growth and money itself. Green is nature's primary color. Chlorophyll, growth, life, renewal. And in many cultures, the color of money itself. The physics of green light vibrates at approximately 550 Hz, the middle of the visible spectrum. Your eyes are most sensitive to green. You can distinguish more shades of green than any other color. Evolutionarily, this makes sense. Green represented food, edible plants, water, areas with vegetation, and safety, healthy environment. Your nervous system relaxes in green environments because ancestrally, green meant survival. The psychology of green is associated with balance, harmony, growth, and renewal. It's the wood element in feng shui, representing upward expansive energy. Studies show green environments reduce stress, enhance creativity, and improve focus. Hospital patients with views of green nature heal faster. Students perform better in rooms with green elements. This is quantifiable. Green frequency creates measurable physiological calming while maintaining alertness. Perfect state for creative problem solving and opportunity recognition. Green and money. In Western culture, green is literally the color of money. US dollars are green. This creates deep subconscious association. Green. Money. Even in cultures with different currency colors, green represents financial growth because it represents all growth. Plants growing, wealth growing, opportunities expanding. When you surround yourself with green, you're programming growth consciousness. Not static wealth, but expanding, multiplying abundance. The spiritual significance green is the heart chakra color, Anahata. The heart center governs giving, receiving, love, and abundance. Blocked heart chakra often manifests as financial blocks because you're unable to receive. Green opens the heart energetically. It creates receptivity. Abundance flows to open hearts, not closed, fearful ones. Green literally helps you become more receptive to prosperity. In nature, spirituality, green represents the goddess, fertility, and manifestation. The earth bringing forth abundance from seeds. This is the energy you're invoking with green. How to use green for abundance. Living plants, the most powerful green, living energy, growing organisms. Place prosperity plants, jade plant, money tree, lucky bamboo, in wealth corner and throughout home. Healthy plants, growing wealth. Dead dying plants, Declining wealth. Maintain them meticulously. Green accents. Pillows, throws, artwork featuring nature, green crystals, jade, green aventurine, malachite. Creates growth frequency without overwhelming. Green in workspace. Studies show green in offices increases productivity and creativity by 15%. A green plant on your desk, green desk accessories, or green wall art. Forest bathing. Spend time in green nature. Shinrin-yoku, Japanese forest bathing, has proven health and psychological benefits. It's also abundance consciousness training. You're immersing in growth frequency. Green clothing. Wearing green, especially in business contexts, signals growth, stability, and harmony. Good for presentations or networking. Types of green matter. Deep forest green. Wealth, stability, established prosperity. Bright emerald green. Growth, expansion, new opportunities. Jade green. Healing prosperity, balanced wealth. Avoid sickly yellow-green, jealousy, illness. Neon green, artificial, harsh. The green growth practice. Daily, stand before a healthy green plant. Place hands near it, feel its life force, its growth energy. Silently affirm, as this plant grows and thrives, so does my wealth. I am in harmony with natural abundance. This creates quantum entanglement between you and the plant's growth frequency. As it grows, your wealth consciousness grows. Now, let's explore purple, the highest frequency prosperity color. Purple is the rarest color in nature, the most expensive color historically to produce. The color of royalty, spirituality, and transformed wealth. The physics of purple-violet vibrates at the highest frequency of visible light, approximately 750 T-arts, approaching ultraviolet. It's literally at the edge of what human eyes can perceive. This high frequency is why purple is associated with elevated consciousness, spirituality, and transformation. It's the color closest to invisible light, bridging visible and invisible realms. The psychology and history of purple. Historically, purple dye came from murex snails. Thousands of snails produced tiny amounts of dye. Purple fabric was astronomically expensive. Only emperors, kings, and high priests could afford it. This created the association. Purple, wealth, power, special status. Even though synthetic purple is now cheap, the subconscious association remains. Purple signals, I am valuable, I am elite, I am worthy of the best. Luxury brands use purple strategically for premium product lines. Your brain reads purple and automatically assigns higher value. The spiritual significance purple is the crown chakra color, Sahasrara, representing connection to divine consciousness and infinite abundance of the universe. Purple represents spiritual wealth manifesting materially. Not just money, but money with meaning. Prosperity aligned with purpose, wealth that serves soul evolution. In Western magical traditions, purple is used for wealth magic, specifically because it combines the passion of red with the calm of blue, creating amethyst and purple's transformative power. Amethyst crystal, purple quartz, was historically worth as much as diamonds. It represents transmutation. Alchemists believed it could transform base metals to gold, metaphorically transforming base consciousness to golden consciousness. Purple is the color of alchemy, taking what you have and transforming it into something more valuable. This is the essence of wealth creation, transformation, and value addition. How to use purple for abundance. In Wealth Corner, purple fabrics, amethyst crystals, purple flowers, or artwork. This elevates the space vibrationally and programs spiritual material wealth integration. Strategic accents. Only. Purple is powerful. A little goes a long way. Too much purple can feel overwhelming or unstable. Use as rich accent, not dominant color. Purple for transformation work. Use purple during major financial transitions. Starting business, making investments, career changes. Purple supports transformation process. Purple in meditation space. If you have a dedicated spiritual manifestation space, purple creates high-frequency environment perfect for visualization and intention setting. Purple with gold and green. The trinity of prosperity colors works synergistically. Gold, wealth; green, growth; purple, transformation. Together create complete abundance frequency. Types of purple: deep royal purple, traditional wealth, established prosperity, dignity. Bright violet, spiritual abundance, transformation, high frequency. Amethyst purple, healing prosperity, transmuting lack into abundance. Avoid dull, muddy purple, stagnation. Harsh neon purple, artificial. The purple crown practice. Meditation. Visualize a crown of purple light above your head. This crown represents your connection to infinite universal abundance. Feel it glowing, pulsing with high-frequency energy. Affirm, I am crowned with infinite abundance. I'm connected to the limitless wealth of the universe. Prosperity is my birthright. This activates crown chakra and programs sovereignty consciousness. You're not begging for wealth, you're claiming your divine inheritance. Integrating all three colors. The most powerful approach uses all three prosperity colors strategically. Gold represents wealth itself, solar abundance, value. Green represents growth, expansion, multiplying prosperity. Purple represents transformation, spiritual wealth, elevated consciousness. Together, they create a complete prosperity frequency spectrum. You're not just attracting money, gold, you're growing it, green, and transforming your relationship with it, purple. Creating your prosperity palette in your wealth corner or entire home. Base: neutral, white, beige, soft gray. Primary accent: green, living plants, fabrics. Secondary accent: gold, frames, objects, trim. Tertiary accent: purple, small touches, crystals, flowers. This creates visually pleasing, energetically powerful prosperity environment. The color immersion practice. Once monthly, do a color meditation with all three. 5 minutes. Visualize surrounded by golden light. Feel wealth, value, abundance. 5 minutes, transition to green light. Feel growth, expansion, multiplying prosperity. 5 minutes, transition to purple light. Feel transformation, spiritual alignment, elevated wealth consciousness. End feeling all three colors blended, creating complete abundance frequency in your field. Wardrobe strategy: dress for the energy you want to embody. Gold jewelry or accessories, daily wealth programming. Green clothing, when seeking growth, expansion, new opportunities. Purple accents, during transformative financial decisions or spiritual abundance work. Your home transformation. You don't need to repaint everything. Strategic additions work. Add green, buy healthy plants. Add gold, gold frames, gold-toned objects, gold accents, add purple. Purple flowers, amethyst crystals, purple pillows, or art. These three additions alone shift your space's frequency from neutral or poverty to abundance. Comment below, which prosperity color resonates most with you? Which will you add to your space first? Thank you for exploring color consciousness. Share with someone ready to transform their environment and their prosperity. Subscribe for more teachings where ancient wisdom meets modern science. Remember, you're surrounded by frequency constantly. Color is frequency you can see. Choose colors that program the consciousness you desire: gold, green, and purple, the trinity of prosperity, the quantum frequencies of wealth. Surround yourself with them. Watch your financial reality transform.